In January, Mayor Marty Walsh, Boston Public Schools, and the Teachers Union met and voted in favor of extending the school day by 40 minutes, affecting 23,000 students.
There's really three things we get out of expanding the day now. First and foremost, we get more time on learning. So students are able to spend more time on core academics like math and literacy and science and social studies. We also have the ability to expand enrichment for students. And so some of our schools that already have expanded time, they do robotics clubs and science and engineering, which is we're not able to do in such a short day. So now we have the opportunity to really expand enrichment across these schools. And lastly, and really importantly, our teachers have more time to work together and learn together. So we actually added in this agreement 75 minutes per week more planning time for teachers to work together, to look at data, and to plan together to serve their students' needs.
The extended 40 minutes is equivalent to 1 month extra of school, which results in an increase of almost $4,500 in employment salary.
Why not 20 minutes? Why not an hour? Why not 2 hours? This is a lot of this conversation was with our Boston Teachers Union and with teachers to try to figure out what is the amount of time we need. We also did a look at a lot of schedules across the country to look at how much time on learning they had. And we wanted to be equal to, if not more time on learning than others. And we had to make it affordable. So we have to actually pay our teachers and our secretaries and our custodians more money to work the additional time. And the 40 minutes was a time that we could all agree upon. We all thought it was the right amount of time. It was enough time. It also got kids home so they can do their homework and have dinner or have extracurricular activities after school. And we think it's a great starting point to redefine our day.
Not what? Not neon, cyan. That's what I said. Yeah, it's kind of like a cyan blue.
In Needham, the extended school day is already in effect, adding 15 minutes to the morning and 10 minutes to the afternoon for their elementary schools.
It's been great for our family for a lot of reasons. We definitely like the academic enrichment that it allows for the kids, but we really like the additional time that it gives us schedule-wise. It means that as working parents, we can get out of the house earlier.
It's not been very different. It's not felt very different. It kind of gives me more time just to be in school, to do things I do in school.
The only negative effect that the extended school day will have on the Boston community is the transportation. Boston Public Schools already spend about $107 million a year on transportation, and now with the 3 tiers getting out at different times, 4:30 being the latest, parents are concerned the children are getting out after dark.
So we do have to take a look at our transportation system and figure out how we don't have a transportation system that guides our policies, but rather a transportation system that supports our policies.
When speaking to the Director of Operations, James Racanelli, he says it's a matter of looking at scheduling options and working through different scenarios, and will hopefully come up with possible solutions within the next few months. For BU News Service, I'm Keiko Talley.
I'm gonna need